Hello and welcome to this session on LO1, Understanding Theories of Leadership Utilized in Health and Social Care Settings. What makes a leader truly effective in health and social care? In this session, we'll explore key leadership theories and styles, and how adapting your approach can create positive outcomes for individuals, teams, and services. The aim of this unit is to deepen understanding of leadership theories. Learners will explore various leadership styles. The focus is on appraising leadership roles. Selecting and applying appropriate approaches is key. This unit prepares you for effective leadership in diverse situations. Leadership is the ability to guide and influence others. In healthcare, it involves setting direction and managing change. It shapes organizational culture and care quality. Leadership often ties to titles or hierarchy. Understanding key terms is essential for effective leadership. Trait theories focus on innate qualities of leaders. Behavioral theories adapt styles to situations. Contingency theories match style to situational control. Transactional theories involve goals and rewards. Transformational leadership inspires through vision. Maslow's hierarchy focuses on fulfilling needs. Hertzberg emphasizes motivators over hygiene factors. McGregor's theory X and Y differ in worker assumptions. Motivation influences leadership effectiveness. Understanding these theories aids in motivating teams. Power bases include legitimate and reward power. Coercive and expert power also play roles. Cultural context influences leadership expectations. Some cultures prefer directive styles. Others value empowering, charismatic leaders. Leadership is about influence and vision. Management focuses on planning and coordination. Leaders need management skills too. Balancing both roles is crucial. Effective leaders integrate both aspects seamlessly. Trust is vital in leadership. Traits like integrity foster trust. Participative leadership builds trust through involvement. Accountability strengthens trust. Ethical leadership sets a trustworthy tone. Healthcare leadership faces complexity and regulation. Ethical decisions are frequent. Cost pressures demand careful management. Innovation is needed, but challenging. Talent shortages require strategic focus. Autocratic leaders make quick decisions. Democratic styles build commitment. Laissez-faire leaders empower teams. Transactional styles focus on goals. Transformational leaders inspire change. Servant leaders prioritize team growth. Ethical leaders model integrity. Both styles focus on long-term success. They emphasize accountability and stakeholder benefit. Decision-making may be slower but impactful. Visionary leaders articulate future states. They drive innovation and transformation. High-risk approaches can lead to chaos. Balancing vision with practicality is key. Successful leaders adapt styles as needed. Effective leaders adapt styles to situations. They consider team needs and objectives. Combining styles optimizes outcomes. Flexibility is crucial in leadership. The context often dictates the best approach. Success in leadership requires a balanced approach. Leaders must navigate challenges and adapt styles. Building trust and fostering motivation are key. Effective leadership drives organizational success. Continuous learning enhances leadership skills. Leadership in health and social care is multifaceted. Adapting styles to context is crucial for success. Effective leadership builds trust and drives positive outcomes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out on WhatsApp at 074-843-61688. We look forward to seeing you again at the next session. Thank you. Leadership in health and social care is multifaceted. Adapting styles to context is crucial for success. Effective leadership builds trust and drives positive outcomes.